So hi guys, a very good morning to all of you. Rahul Prajapati this side and welcome to Morning Market Brief again. Okay, so if we see Nifty on SGX, it's 100 points gap up, right? Okay, so we can see market is trading around 17,750. That's again a good move upside. Okay, now looking at the technical charts as of now. So we have seen that market is consolidating since almost like a week now. But we have seen market is showing a gap down opening and then again recovering. So that's a good sign that market is not falling below 17,500, and that we have talked about earlier also. So the sense of the market is still on the long side. Okay. If we see the open interest, we have seen some shorts, but short is coming with very less quantum. Okay. And in the last trading session, we have seen that gone for a long unwinding. And you can see that there is very less change happening in the OI. So no fresh positions are building up and it's just the same OI level. So, and if market is coming with the gap up opening, there might be some good long build up coming up in the today's session. Okay. Now let's see what is going to happen with OI on the option chain. And we have expiry today also. So now let's see if we see on the higher side, we can check that 18,000 is the level where we have the highest call option. Okay. And if we go on the lower side, 17,500. So again, the level is this only, that market is consolidating in this range on a broader range. On the higher side, if we go and check 17,800 has shown a good unwinding, and only addition happening in 17,900 and 18,000. And on the lower side, put is adding on the 17,600 and 17,500. So there's these two levels are good support, and these two levels are good resistance for Nifty right now. Okay, now let's check Bank Nifty. Okay, so the trend of Bank Nifty is again looking positive as of now. It gave a breakout day before yesterday, and it went above 40,000 and then unable to survive at that level, and then it came down. But again, 39,300, 400 level is a good support for that, and market just recovered from that level only. So trend still looks on the good side, on the positive side. If we see Bank Nifty right now here, so Bank Nifty is just showing a long unwinding again. Okay, so some of longs happen and then unwinding there. So if today's again coming up with the gap up opening, so this might move up, right? Okay, so the positive trend is on the cards for Bank Nifty also. Now from expiry point of view, if we see, so good straddle has been made on 39,500, right? On the higher side, 40,000 is the level that we are looking for. Lower side, 39,000. So this 1,000 point range is the looking we can anticipate. Okay, but the trend is looking on the positive side. Now let's say if we go and check the index contribution yesterday. Okay, so only cement stock shows a very good upside move. Private banks and auto stocks were on the negative side. Oil is on the negative side. Bit of recovery in the IT. Okay, not a huge quantum. Okay. Now let's see what is happening on the ban list. You can check. So Delta Corp is the only stock which is trading in the ban list. Okay. Now let's talk about some stocks. Okay, so if we see some stocks we got in trap indicator. So we need to find some good liquid stocks, but on the positive side, because the trend of the market looks positive. So we can go with Sun Pharma. Okay, let's see what is happening in Sun Pharma. Sun Pharma shows a call writing trap. Okay, so Sun Pharma looks fine from here. Okay, and if you see the stock is consolidating, and from the lower level of 870, it has recovered the good quantum. So 900 is the level where we're looking for. 900 is the stock is facing resistance. If that breaks 900, then we can anticipate at least 920, 930 level on the higher side. And above that, 950 is on the card, right? Okay. So the stock looks fine. 880 could be a good support looking at the technical charts. Now, if you see long build-ups are there, so it's not a good OI level as of now. But the OI has jumped. Okay, there's increase in the OI, but no specific cycle. But yesterday we have seen a good long build-up. That's the only thing we have right now in the OI. Okay. So Sun Pharma, you can see the highest call option is only at 900. So if the stock breaks 900, it can move to 920 and 940 very easily. 880 is a good support. So from these levels, we can simply go for, look for trades. Okay. So my view will remain positive for Sun Pharma, right? Okay. And okay, so let's go with the TVS Motor. We have seen that stock was looking fine. Okay, so stock is continuously in uptrend. Okay, since here it's continuously going up, and yesterday shows an unwinding happening. So let's go with TVS only. So TVS has shown a good upside move, and then yesterday it is unwinding, right? Okay. Okay. So we cannot see any good build-up happening on put. So if the stock breaks, so if from here, if the stock moves up and breaks 1050, we can go for a long position in this. So that looks fine. Above that, let's look for a good position on the higher side. And if the drop, it can drop towards 1000 level. From here, we can look for a reversal, right? Okay, and then it might be on a positive trend. So the stock looks like fine as of now. But if shows unwinding, we can look for reversals around 1000 level, and 1050 is the breakout level. Above it, it can move to 1100 also. So that's a view on this stock, right? Okay. This stock looks fine. Okay, so that's all. That's all from my side. I'll see you again in the next session. Thank you so much. Bye and take care.